So the second video for today has to do with static electricity. And so I have a balloon, and I'm going to do the following. Think Nosy the cat in the video. Okay. What I'm doing is I am separating charges by rubbing. Now, the atoms in my hair and the atoms on the balloon are both neutral. They contain the same, each atom contains the same number of electrons and protons. But what I'm doing is I'm removing electrons. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove electrons from the balloon and transfer them to my hair. I don't know if you can't, I can tell. You see how my hair is standing up? You may or may not be able to tell. What's happening is that now that I have all of these negative charges built up on my hair, all of the hair has the same negative charge. And remember that opposites attract and sames repel. So because all of my individual hairs now have an overall negative charge, they're repelling each other, and that's why my hair is sort of standing on end. All right, so now I'm going to take these positive charges that I've built up on the balloon, and I'm going to see if I can lift some pieces of toilet paper here. Don't worry, they're clean. See that? Science. It's magic. So what's actually happened here? What's actually happened is the following. So I rubbed the balloon on my head. Again, I transferred electrons. I transferred negative charges to my hair. That's why my hair was standing up on it. So now I have an overall positive charge on the balloon. So now I bring the balloon close to these little tiny pieces of toilet paper. Now the pieces of toilet paper still have the same number of positives and negatives. Each piece of toilet paper is still technically neutral. But what happens is, when I bring the positively charged balloon in, the positive charges in the toilet paper will naturally move away. They can't leave the toilet paper, but they'll move away because they're repelled. And the negative charges in the toilet paper will move toward the positive charges on the balloon because the opposites attract. And because of that, you have an attraction between the negative charges on one side of the toilet paper and the positive charges on the balloon, and that's why you can actually lift it up.